I would recommend the GAE to my friends and my enemies because it is beneficial. It has changed my life. Hi, my name is Darl and I'm a woman of a certain age. And my doctor is Dr. Marjani. Before I had the GAE, I was experiencing a lot of pain in my right knee. A lot of popping, a lot of aching, swelling, and joint pain. And so I was a candidate for the knee replacement. But I didn't want to get a knee replacement because I saw others go through it. And so my primary doctor, Dr. Fayed, she said this was a new procedure and she had great results from this procedure. So that's what made me want to try it with a little hesitation. I was unable to run track anymore. I used to be a runner, and I was not able to wear my high heels anymore. And I wasn't able to climb stairs because of the pain. Before I had my procedure, my pain level was at a 9, and bad days it get up to a 10 or 11. On the procedure day, I felt afraid. I felt unsure because I was unsure of the results, and I was a little intimidated by the fact that it was an outpatient procedure. My experience here at the vascular clinic was amazing. Everyone was helpful, kind, thoughtful. They made me feel very at ease, and that really takes a lot of the pressure off. And Dr. Marjani was always very reassuring. I had my procedure in April of 2025, and since my procedure, there was not a long recovery either. It was very, about 2 weeks, I was up moving. I went to New Orleans and I walked at the French Quarter, and it was amazing. I had girlfriends that asked me about the procedure because they saw me getting around so well. And since then I've come back, and now I get to wear my 3-inch heels, which I didn't want to give that up. And so since a lot of my friends have seen me, I guess I was the guinea pig, because now they're interested in getting the procedure as well. So it's been very helpful. My pain level is at 0 because I'm very comfortable now. And I thank God for that. I go up and down stairs with no problems, and I can't run though like I used to. So I am able to walk, go up and down the stairs. I can walk a long distance, so I can stand for 4 or 5 hours without my knee bothering me. And I am a caterer. That makes a big difference. No more patches, no more knee braces, those things I don't need anymore. So I'm excited about that. I would recommend the GAE to my friends and my enemies because it is beneficial. It has changed my life, and I am so grateful. And I did not have to have a major surgery. I want to thank Dr. Marjani again for his expertise, his awesome bedside manner. He was very kind and very attentive to me because I was very nervous. So I appreciate that. And like I said again, the girls were so sweet and helpful and professional, and that makes a big difference. Thank you again, Dr. Marjani.